Welcome to ThinQ Tech. Let's discuss the comparison between both smartphones. Body difference. Operating system difference. Colors difference. Build quality difference. Please analyze which one is better. Display technology difference. Refresh rate. Network. Camera comparison of both smartphones. Selfie camera comparison of both smartphones. Processor comparison. Memory comparison. Battery comparison. Charging comparison. Other features comparison. Connectivity difference. On the basis of analysis, let's find out which one is better.